In this video, you'll learn how to create a stunning website on Framer in just a few minutes, even with zero coding experience. First, head over to framer.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click New Project and pick a template that matches your vision, or start from a blank canvas for full creative control. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add sections like a hero, features, and testimonials. You can customize text, colors, and fonts directly on the canvas. Framer's built-in AI tools can even generate layouts and copy for you automatically. Now, add smooth animations and interactions by selecting any element and opening the Interactions panel. This is where Framer really shines. You can create professional motion effects in just a few clicks. Finally, connect your custom domain, optimize for mobile using the responsive editor, and hit Publish. Your website goes live instantly. And that's it. A beautiful, fully responsive website built without writing a single line of code